And I just realized I was talking with a muted microphone. It was great. I'm not going to repeat everything what I said. Yeah, so like all intro, I'm not going to repeat intro. You'll listen to my intro tomorrow or previous day. It's almost same. So be prepared to get blasted with the music, because music is really loud. So, and you can change the volume, and it's changed in real time. So that's quite cool. So these three things implemented. So now I'm going to figure out how to implement REST. So screen, vsync, show FPS, look sensitivity, invert y-axis. So currently I'm thinking to add the settings class and make it singleton, because settings are shared across the whole application, whole game. So I'm going to make settings.hpp once class settings. Now let's see what I have in settings UI. Okay, so public double master volume double SVX volume let's do 0.25 for music. Then full screen, vsync, so this is all settings. I think it's like actually I do not need to include anything. I set up precompiled header, so I can just do share props and master volume, SVX volume, music volume, full screen, vsync, show FPS, look. sensitivity axis. So log sensitivity, I have some value in the gameplay, and it's set to where is it? Sensitivity 0.00 something. Oh yeah, so this value, and in false. Okay, and I'm going to make the singleton out of that. So I'm going to have, probably I'll put it on top, static function get instance, which would return settings. Settings.cpp. Boy, I called it setting. Oh my god, I keep making this mistake and missing. Okay, settings.hpp, and get instance settings. It's like in modern C++, making singleton is very simple. Static settings, auto r equals, so this is the temporal and return r. So oh wait, yeah, it should be like this. Yeah. So I'm going to yeah, so I'm going to why it's read only? So make the constructor private, settings equals default, so there is no way to construct the free setting, like a freestanding settings, except using the singleton get instance. So, and you know, I think that should take care about everything. And in that case, I can just do settings like this, and load and save in the constructor. I can probably do save. And yeah, let's implement everything just right now. So instead of default, it's going to be what the heck? Okay. I guess I will copy paste the code. I have a voice tuber, and there is some code in the voice tuber to save and load settings. So let's see. Mount Virginia. It's where is it? Virginia Home Amica project voice tuber. Voice tuber. Oh yeah, they went to source. Preferences, yeah, so there is preferences. Company name, app name, get preferences path. So it's saving Toml.
Nick Hamistiff said, high 19% pog.
Yeah, it's went up a little bit. 19%. So let's see. So this is, I did not make the commit yet, and as well, actually, it's kind of interesting. I'm adding more to-do items, and it's still going up. I'm not sure if like accounting correct, because why it's going up. So maybe I did something in previous days. Yeah, so like
Snufkinstrasser said, I love to see Magit in the wild colony.
Magit in the Kyle in the wild, yeah. Emacs is pretty good. Like my Git integration with Git is pretty good. I honestly using it for so long. I forgot all the Git commands because I'm not using them. So I'm doing all Git stuff through Emacs. Anyways, let's go back to.
I am the same. Magit is excellent.
Yeah. So let's do. Oh yeah. So this guy did with Toml. I think I'll save it in JSON. I'm not going to do Toml. I don't want to do that nasty stuff here. It's like less dependencies. Yeah, let's do through Toml. So I'm thinking I'll put that stuff in the consts. So like I'll put const expr company name, and company name is
One Electron Universe.
and the game is going to be game 025. Let's have a game name maybe. Okay. So that is sorted out. Like I think I'll just copy paste that barn to settings cpp. So I'll just put it somewhere here on top. So on destructor it's simple, it's just save. And on constructor I don't think I would do like force load, so I don't think I need to do force load. Okay, so instead of app name it's going to be game name. Get preferences path. Okay, so let's go here and say auto pref path equals get pref. So let me shorten it. Get pref path. Get pref path and file system create directories pref path and then console okay, pref path add settings.json. Okay, and then pref file equals stat f stream. Why it's f stream? It should be of stream. Of stream. So what the heck is this? Why this code is like this? It looks like AI generated code. It's like why you're doing exist check. But you can just try to open, and if it didn't open, it did not exist. So why you're doing? Oh my god, it's definitely AI generated code. That's so bad. Pref file, pref path, right? And if not pref file, I can add the log just for fun. Settings file is missing using defaults.
Setting file is missing using defaults.
And just return. Otherwise so it's JSON. Mm. So I do JSON share from pref file. What just happened? From pref file into the vis. Cannot refer member this share in settings with arrow. So I do not remember how I'm using this share. So I need to deserialize JSON. Oh, just JSON this share, just one word. Okay, interesting. Call deleted constructor of call deleted constructor. Oh, if stream. It's not off stream. Okay. Hey. Okay. Job's done. And for save, I'm going to do. Get pref path tune off stream cannot open settings file to save settings file to write settings and path here.
Cannot open settings file to write settings.
I'll do assert as well. Return JSON share, and that's it. We're done. So in the beginning of the game, it's like on main. I'll probably do it in main. So in main, I'll do settings.hpp, and I'll just I guess here I'll do settings get inst. So that would instantiate settings, and during the instantiation it will it actually would not create a file, but like as soon as I close the game it should create a file, and yeah. Okay, let's close and see .config. I don't know, maybe there is no logs. Probably there is a log actually. Oh, there is a lot of logs in B layout. It's too noisy. Let me delete that logs. Okay, but during the exit there is a normal. It's all from vLayout. It should actually say something like settings file does not exist or something like this using default. Oh yeah, settings file is missing using default. Using default setting. Is it plural or singular? Should I use plural or singular? Settings file.
Settings file is missing semicolon using defaults dot.
Okay.
Yeah, plural is better, I think.
Yeah, plurals. Okay, so let's go and check how file is looks like. Config one. Where it's usually goes. So let me. I think the easiest way is going to ask AI. Where is preferences path for SDL free on Linux? Local share org app. Dot local share one electron universe game 025 settings.json. Okay, master volume, SVX volume, music volume, full screen, vsync, show fps, log sensitivity, inf v axis. Okay, so now let's see. I think I can so that is this one. Actually I need to read now from yeah, okay, so settings, no, scene, not just a scene, it should be just scene, scene.hpp, yeah. Scene.hpp and no, master speaker actually constructed in the where it's constructed. I think it's constructed even in main. Master speaker, yeah. Master speaker. So I guess I can just pass to master speaker settings dot master volume, something like this. And master speaker dot hpp, so like we can put the constructor double gain. Oh, oh yeah, it's a part of the sync, right? Sync. I guess do it this way. I do not know if I'm borking everything and it's going to explode everything, but we'll see. Again. So in here, double gain, sync gain. Okay, so I pass the master volume to the master speaker. Yeah, it's exploding. Send must explicitly initialize sync. It's like if I put 1 here. Oh. Okay. Sync will be initialized after. Okay, so I need to swap that. Okay, so master speaker. Let's go to settings UI. I guess in the constructor I'll get the pointer to reference to settings. Okay, so where is the constructor? So here. After that, settings get instance. Include settings.hpp, and so when master volume is updating, so I'll do update here, and I'll do settings.master volume. It's probably swap it. I think it makes more sense to do it this way. I don't know. I think that is better way. Master volume. Oh, I didn't. Yeah, here we go. I included. Why? Oh, I have to use get. Yeah, because it's a reference wrapper. Okay. So I'll do it same thing for settings for SVX and music. Get.svx volume equals. So let's put it here, and settings.get svx volume, and let's do same thing for
Frozen Shadow yelled, "Yo, what's up, bro?"
Frozen Shadow. Yay! Hey, Frozen Shadow. Working on the settings screen. Settings.get.music volume equals that one. Settings.get.music volume. Okay. So now I need to, oh yeah, on the destructor, so it's not going to be default destructor anymore. So I'll just do settings dot save.
Remember the sound volume should grow in exponential way.
Birb hello, and it does do. Here we go. There is a formula. It's actually in decibels, so it's taking the decibels and converting them to linear.
Nice.
And there is a logarithm somewhere. Here we go. There is converting from linear to logarithmic. Yeah. And as well, there is a range. So it's from 0 to minus 60 decibels. I do not remember how much I set it up. Minimum gain. So I actually put minus 50. I think minus 60 was too quiet. Yeah. So I probably should name it minimum gain dB. It's like probably underscore. Actually, I'll just copy it here. So boom, minus 50 to 0. Okay, so now scene dot I think cpp, scene dot cpp, and there is a music source being constructed here.
BTW, are you planning to compile on Vulkan and DX12 as well?
Both, yeah. Vulkan is already, so like right now it's a Vulkan, but at some point I will try to make it to work for DX12. Yeah, so I want to release the game on Windows for DX12 and on Linux, of course, on Vulkan. I do not know why. I can just use Vulkan, right? Should I just... Yeah, anyways, it's a future me problem. I think I'm kind of thinking right now. I just was thinking it's quite cool, like to have 2 backends, but on our side it's kind of feels silly. So like, why I'm doing BGFX if I don't know. Anyways, I mean, I'll try to port it to DirectX 12, and if it's appear to be super hard, I don't think it's going to be hard, because Vulkan and DirectX 12 are kind of similar, so it shouldn't be hard to port.
You can use Vulkan only, but why seems like for some GPUs, Vulkan is not very well optimized.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, so if just to get like a little bit of optimization juice, yeah, from DirectX 12. Yep, that makes sense. So what is this 100? What is it? SVX source. Okay, it's
for example, Witcher 3. Vulkan runs at 60 FPS on my PC, but DX it runs at 80 FPS.
Witcher 3 Vulkan runs on 50 on PC. Okay. And what GPU do you have? Settings get inst dot svx volume. So I need to include settings. I did include settings. I see what's going on. In music volume. Oh. Save. No member name, save. What? Ah. Okay. So music
Use
should
Windows
be
and a GTX 1660.
and your Witcher, yeah, and Witcher runs 80 FPS. Wow. Yeah, it's Witcher free though. Yeah. But still, it's holding up very well. Okay. Oh yeah, look at this.
Yeah, my PC is quite old, but I can run it on mid.
So let's put it in the middle and see after restart it's going to remember it or not. Hey. Okay. So let's hook up everything else. SVX volume, music volume, full screen. So full screen settings, get full screen. Then settings, get full screen equals V. Is okay. Settings dot get dot vsync. Dot sync equals V. Settings dot get dot show FPS. Settings dot get show FPS equals V. Semicolon is missing here. So now lock sensitivity. Settings dot get dot look sensitivity, and settings dot get look sensitivity equals V. Just capture this here. Settings dot get invert Y axis. Capture this here. V settings dot get invert Y axis equals V. Oh man, I think I contracted it. Inf Y axis. Yeah. Okay. What? It's checkboxes are not going to work because checkboxes currently not taking lambda, so I need to make it to take lambda. not lambda, function void set val, and I guess I'll do it this way. Actually, I'll do it this way and make the compiler to be angry at me is checked. Set val instead move in set val I need to swap them. Okay. And compiler going to be get angry. Yeah, so dot set val equals instead move in dot with fair callback set val instead move in dot debug lights callback move in dot a callback dot set val equals instead move in denoise AO dot set val equals instead move in dot compute bloom callback dot set val equals instead move in dot buff debug callback. Why? Oh, callback is missing here. Bloom misspelled. Buff debug callback. Okay, and I can remove all of that. Cool. So this is all debug panel. Settings UI. Okay, set dot set val equals instead move set that's it. This is all warnings. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to uncheck vsync and see if it's going to remember after restarting. I unchecked vsync, right? Let's see. Yeah, it did remember. So, and that one is going to work as well. Okay, now let's go through the list. So master volume, SS, music, full screen. Okay, so on the load, it's going to be easy games. It's like in the main. Where is it? Full screen. No, I think it's in the gameplay. So there is a full. Where it's oh, it's in a render. Okay, render. Yeah, so how I want to do it. Anyways, I guess I'll do it here. So let's include settings. And settings get inst dot full screen. So we'll do like this, or I guess I'll take that. So I'm wondering if it's not full screen, maybe I should make the smaller screen here. So maybe I should put it here. And have smaller resolution, 1280 at 720. So now on startup, it's going to start not in the full screen. So let's test it out. Let's do small steps at a time. Okay, so let's remove that. Let's close, restart. So it is it started not in the full screen, but the problem is, oh, I set to maximize. Oh, I see. It's going to crash. Yeah, it's crashed. My web camera is alive. Everything is alive. So I guess it's a Oh, it's a sec fault. Yeah, it's timeout one. It's like a Vulkan issue with resizing. I do not know why, but it happens. So I think I should not do maximized. Yeah, so let's try that. Let's kill the game. Yay! So it's small now. So that's good. So it's small. So let's switch back to full screen, restart, and check if it's going to start on full screen. It's going to start, but like whatever. Yeah, it started on full screen. Exit to desktop is not implemented yet. So now I would like to figure out how to do that. So there is a BGFX init. So I need to destroy the whole render. So where I'm instantiating render. Main.cpp render. So render is instantiated here. So one thing what I can do, I can keep render, but I can move screen size. Yeah, I do not know, because if I move window inside the third, it's like every time then I destroy the third, I would destroy window as well, which is kind of defeating the purpose of having the separate difference. Like I wanted to do resize. Oh, I can Wait a second. I can. Oh my god, I'm blacking out. So like I already implemented it in the project. Where is it? In the my prototype game. Mount Virginia home. Mika project. What is it? Endless drive. And come on, endless drive. Why there is a D? Endless drive and full screen. Oh yeah, so there is just set full screen false. Emmanuel, hello. Set full screen false or true, and that's it. That should do the magic. So what I want to do, I can monitor. Okay, so just before win, I can put like a boolean is full screen, and I can put a variable is full screen and initialize it from then. And then I can do is full screen like this, and I'm not sure if like let's try it. So in the render I would do if is full screen not equal what I'm working on the settings. So volume, I just implemented volume controls for master volume, for SVX, sound effects, and music, and as well I think I implemented something else. I do not remember. So settings, so yeah, music, and yeah, I just implemented this free, and currently I'm working on the implementing full screen. So toggling from full screen to windowed mode. So let's do settings get instance dot full screen. I would do is full screen equals, so let's just copy these settings, and then settings here, I think it's just a win dot set full screen, so that should do. Yeah, so because I set up precompiled headers every time that I'm touching renderer, it's kind of full rebuild. It's a bit annoying. Settings. So probably I should remove renderer from precompiled headers. Is full screen. screen. It's not too bad. Compilation is very fast. It's like 40 seconds. Okay, let's test out the full screen toggle. Hey, it's working. No way. I mean, you're not seeing it, but it does work. Believe me, it is working. Okay. I guess I can do that and then move it here, and it's like I make the full screen here. Yeah. Cool. So that is implemented. So now let's go and implement vsync. So I had like a flags, reset flags, and I guess time to say bye-bye to reset flags. Let's see. BGFX init. So reset flags are going to be settings. So I need to include settings. HPP settings. Get inst dot vsync, and if vsync BGFX init vsync, otherwise BGFX init none. I think it's like this. BGFX reset, not init, reset. Reset. Okay, so and then I'll do same trick in the render.hpp. Oh my god, it's gonna be painful. So bool vsync, and then in the constructor vsync is going to be copied from here, vsync, and do if vsync not equals settings get inst vsync, vsync equals settings get inst vsync. You know what I'll do? I'll do probably temp full screen, auto temp full screen equals like this, and Let's see. So yeah, 42 seconds full rebuild. It's not bad. Um, mm, so I need to do that. Where is it? Oh, why it's reset? I changed it. What happened? Right. So currently it is no vsync, so there is a very 400 fps. So I'm going to do vsync. Oh, nice. And it's went back to 120. So disable vsync, goes up to 400. Hey, vsync. Nice. Cool. Oh, and we crashed. Everything crashed. My GPU did not survive. Yeah. Anyways, I do not know. Should I spend time debugging it? I think I have documented it. Let me see. Oh, it's not documented. On resize and on vsync swap the game crashes with vk timeout. It's like timer query wiki. So I probably just put the backtrace. So at least camera is fine.
On resize, and on vsync, the game crashes with BGFX : VK : timer query VK : begin dot. On resize, and when toggling vsync, the game crashes with BGFX : VK : timer query
Games
VK :
sometimes.
begin dot. On resize, and when toggling vsync, the game sometimes crashes with BGFX : VK : timer query VK : begin dot.
Yeah. So it's documented. Settings. VSync show FPS. Show FPS is actually going to be super easy. FPS label. So I'll just do const auto show FPS glue settings.hpp settings get inst dot show FPS if not show FPS set visible false return and set visible true yeah, show FPS is super simple. Show FPS. It's kind of interesting. It crashes after a while, not immediately. Anyways, it's all fine. It's a future me problem. Future Mika problem. So that is implemented. Settings. Show FPS look sensitivity. Okay, yeah, that's as well. Super simple. Gameplay.cpp. .00 here, yeah. So const auto sensitivity equals settings get inst sensitivity.
Auto look sensitivity equals settings : get inst open parenthesis close parenthesis dot look sensitivity semicolon.
Include settings.hpp and y inf y axis equals okay. So let's see. Oh, I used to able to play this way. Now I cannot play this way. Okay, then. Yeah, so it's only exit and exit. So let's go to do. Full screen, vsync, show FPS, logs and 10. Save and load settings, I guess. Yeah, so I guess that was to save and load. So I guess I'll make another singleton called game state .hpp. Class title gameplay editor quit. So let's have these game states, and as well extern game state Let's .cpp include game state.hpp and here game state equals game state gameplay. Oh, what the heck? There is a game mode already. Okay. So we do not need game state. So okay, so it's going to be title game editor chef and quit. And extern game on. Okay, and I'll do it this way. It should compile. Okay, now while it's starting the game. While game mode not equal game mode quit, we do that. Okay, and in the gameplay.cpp, so there is a check for done, right? Done as well. While not done, I guess I'll do while game mode equal game mode gameplay, include game mode hpp. So no need for done here, and here we say we do it like this: game mode quit. Okay, and then I guess I'll do switch here, right? Switch game mode case editor. Break case game mode gameplay break hmm? So I'm just trying to avoid infinite loop. So if we get to the title, so quit. I guess I'll do default. Yeah, so if I cannot handle anything, I'll just switching to quit. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to settings, UI.cpp, and on clicking the buttons here, settings, no, it's not settings. I'll need to include game mode.hpp, and here set the game mode equals game mode quit. And here game mode title. Equals okay, boom. Okay, there is plenty of code changes, so I'm going to probably ask AI to review my code and give some feedback, and after that I'm going to commit all that changes. um, okay, so I guess I'll quickly review by myself. Mm. Okay, so let's fire up the AI. I do not know which one to use. I guess I'll go with cursor. Agent. They review the code, check for typos, inconsistencies, and bugs. The majority of the code is covering the settings UI.
Review the code, check for typos, inconsistencies, and bugs. The majority of the code is covering the settings UI.
Check for typos, inconsistencies, and the majority of code is covering the settings UI. It's taking quite time to review. But hopefully, oh, let's find a bug. It's intentional. Closing the editor restarts forever. Oh, that's I should fix. Music volume preview plays twice. Then setting does music play again to overlapping note 2x loudness. This is you're not right. There is a check. Runs before SDL and is can run after SDL is turned down. Both calling SDL get per constructing. Check only while SDL is alive. Other than a singleton distractor. Unclamped if gain is less or equals or something as well. Yeah, that's desired top right. Okay, it's a good feedback. So there is several. What else? Gameplay loop exists. Main hits default games. Okay. Yeah. Closing the editor bug. Let's fix it. Scene editor.cpp done. So there is a instead of done. Where is the done? Okay. So include a game mode.hpp and done game mode equals game mode quit. Okay.
Game mode : quit.
No need to capture these. Game mode equals game mode quit and while game mode equals game mode editor. Okay, so that is fixed. So what next? Because the music volume preview plays twice. Settings UI. Oh, okay. So that's actually a good catch. Okay, let's test that. Oh yeah, it's way more bearable. I was wondering why music is so deafening loud. It was double volume, this is why. Good catch. Good job, AI. I do not know if I am both calling it prefer constructing saving station as well as a live or avoid steal in the singleton destructor. Okay, so that I can address. So where is this daily init happens? Main.cpp sdl init happens here. Okay, so let's put it here. And let's do it that way. Okay. Settings dot let's put here stat string what it's returning. I do not know what it's returning. File system path, I guess, right? File system path, pref path. Yeah, I do not know. Where did I get this strange colon? Still do not remember. It's like, what is that? Why it's doing that? Why const is after that? So this is returning characters. Anyways, it does work, right? So path. So yeah, that's gonna do the trick. I guess per path dot how to get the directory from the path. To the parent path. Parent path. Okay, let's test it on. Okay. I guess. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. Mm. So let's look at the JSON as well. Dot. What is it? Dot local share one electron universe. Okay, master volume, music volume, full screen true, vsync true, show fps false, log sensitivity, inverse axis. Yeah, everything looks good. So okay, let's see what else. Music volume settings, that's fixed. Volume slider log is unclamped. I do not know if I should do that or not. Should I do clamping or not? I think it's fine. Yeah, I did not implement the clicking, so probably I should implement clicking, but it's not high priority. Yeah, let's check the editor. So run editor. Okay, and then I'm trying to close the editor. It should close, yeah. There is interesting thing. Let me implement it. Just want to do it. So now I can dynamically switch between edit mode and game mode. So there is clicking in tab. I do not know what button to use to switch between modes, or maybe M button. So I can do M button. So let's do M button, and I can say game mode equals game mode editor, and in the editor, in editor dlk case sdl km game mode equals game mode gameplay break. Yeah, if I press M, that's crazy. But what just happened? nothing is working. It's like a game mode, gameplay. So like it did not work as I expected to work. I was thinking it's going to switch. Quit scene editor, gameplay. Should fully restart. Why did not restart though? Oh, I think maybe I should do that. Assets. So put it here. Let's see if it's gonna work. No, it doesn't work. I think I know. So there is a flag. Is editor mode flag. Okay, so let's get rid of it. So instead of that, I should do game mode equals game mode editor. Game mode equals game mode. Okay. So oh, we crashed. Why we crashed? L failed. Player CPP 616. Six one 4. Level label. Game mode not equal. So game mode switch, so it should go through that. Why didn't go? If game, or it's in the constructor. Yeah, game mode should switch. So let's see if it runs in the normal game. Yeah, that runs. So why it's so if I'm trying to switch from editor to the game one, so I think I can try to run it in the debugger. So exit, then goes to the gameplay. And it's in game mode is gameplay now, so it should load. So it is still in the scene editor. Okay, I see. Update stats, and yeah, it is still in the scene editor. So it should switch way more aggressively. So then it went to the game mode. If game not equal game editor, continue or break. Yeah, so that should be way more aggressive switch. As well, I think I'll do data. So I'll do save like this. Yeah, let me see in the gameplay. Do I need to do... I guess I'll do same aggressive swap. So let's put it here and just bail immediately. Okay, so now we should be good. Okay, let's swap. We are in the loop. So it's a player constructor. Um, so it's doing merge sort. What the heck is the... Why are you doing sort? Radial progress. Yeah, it just takes forever to... Huh. Image. What's going on? Like, why it's creating like gazillion threads? So it's loading chat. To add into I don't know what's going on. Have no idea what's going on here. It's like so let me oh, it is actually broken, huh? How did I break it? So maybe that one was something what broke the this looks fine. Okay, let me delete that and see. Ah, I know what. Gameplay. Now I know what's going on. Gameplay. Oh my god, that's such a silly error. Okay, so let me uncomment that. It was just infinite loop. Okay, so let's switch to editor. Oh, nice. So we are in the editor mode. Switch back to the game mode. Yeah. Cool. Okay, okay. Mm. Okay, let's spelling consistent. Oh, spellings. Desired top right. Control C. Let's fix spelling.
Desired top right. Desired top right.
Okay, desired top right. Max audio concurrency.
Max audio concurrency. Max audio concurrency.
Okay. H align, V align. Align. Yeah.
V align.
Oh, so it's 1L. I guess I'll fix compilations. Like I guess I'll go for compilation errors. What? That's it? So VLine is fixed. Exit to title incomplete versus no title screen. Checkbox ignores button type. Only animals button slider required left. What? Checkbox ignores button type. Checkbox with uses estimation, not a real label. Fragile for longer strings. Default gain to global volume change may call still hardcore. Checkbox ignores button type. Toggle on any mouse button. Oh, really? Full screen. So I can do with right click and with left click. That's funny. I guess I need to fix it. Okay, so checkbox. Mouse button down. So okay, so I think I'll take the implementation from here. So if it's not left button, I think that's it. Yeah, left button is not working anymore. I do not know. Probably range is good. So like this mouse sensitivity is crazy. So I guess just to make it clear, so I'll do same way. svx UI.hpp self-destroy, but I probably set self-destroy to true. So nodes empty and self destroy. Okay, and in that case, settings.cpp. Music. Equals false. Music play. I know. Maybe I'll make autoplay. Okay, think I addressed the issues. Can you check again? Mm. Oh, okay. It's a good catch. Music. Self destroy. I don't think. Ah, it's here. Okay. Okay. Should match exit on us. Still quit. Still. Yeah. Everything else is fine. Okay. So 922 lines. Okay. So I'm going to ask AGI to trust this folder. To Eligibility check failed. Resource resource has been exhausted. Oh. Interesting. So looks like Gemini is gone. How about Gemini? Client is not supported. Yeah. Yeah, Gemini is gone. There is no free version of Gemini anymore. Resume. Suggest the commit message. Can you give me a longer version? Control C.
Add persistent settings UI with audio, video, and look controls. Add a full setting screen with persistent prefs and separate audio buses. Replace the placeholder setting tab with controls for master/SFX/music volume, full screen, VSync, show FPS, look sensitivity, and invert Y, backed by a settings single and saved under the SDL pref path. Add a slider widget and layout tweaks so the pause UI can host these options. Route volume through master speaker /SFX SRC /music SRC, and support exit to title stub or desktop via the game mode loop.
Persistent perf and separate audio buses. Replace the placeholder and tab controls. And I think that's fine. Fine commit. Okay, that's it. So, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next time.